Todd, go, 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 go. You trimmed it, right? You trimmed it. Turn on the motor. Turn on the motor. Go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Come on, Todd. Come on, man. You turn it on. You turn it on, right? Let's go. Jump on. Jump on. Jump on. Jump on. Hey. Ride it like we stole. Let's go. Ride it like we stole. Let's go. I'll get the lines. I'll get the lines.
No, this is your fault.
No, it's not my fault.
This is your fault. Dude, don't hide from her.
Dude, no, bro. Look at her. Look, she looks mad. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Can I sit in front with you?
Yes, you can just move this way.
All right, I got you. I told you, another crazy, insane day with Alfred Montaner, huh?
Always. Always with Alfred.
Listen. All right, Todd, show them how we got onto this boat so fast that we got away from everybody. Show them how you did that with that key, the coast key, right?
Coast key.
All right, put it over here in the light so they can see it. All right.
Putting the engine down.
That is
just using the coast key.
That is too crazy, guys. Look at that. All right.
All right.
Now start it up. Dude, this is Miami Vice type stuff. Miami Vice type stuff. That is how we did that shot. People are probably wondering, how does it, how is this guy still talking over a diesel? Guys, listen to this. Okay, Todd, can we take off the cowling while it's in the water?
We can.
Okay.
Got to shut it off and then crank it back up.
Oh, okay, so let's shut it down. Okay, guys, he's shutting it off here. Guys, just so you know, this coast key, the lanyard is on, okay? And now Todd's gonna go ahead. All right, guys, let me get a little further out. So they can see exactly a little bit more. Now, what's the technical decibel rating of that? Is there one or no? Like how low it is?
Set with the cowling on.
Okay, it's set with the cowling on. All right, guys.
Normally you wouldn't run it with the cover off.
No. Normally we wouldn't, but this is not normally.
No.
When you deal with Alfred Montaner, it's not normally ever. All right, guys.
But we also wanted to show you, there were questions about how loud it actually was. Even with the cover off.
Okay, so now, while we have the camera rolling, try to put the cover back on. Can you do it with the engine on, or do you have to shut it off?
I prefer to shut it off.
Okay, shut it off then. Okay, shut it off real quick. And then put it back on so they can hear that end of it. All right, guys, this is the Oxe Diesel 200. All right.
This one is the 200?
This specific one's a 150. Same size comes in the